learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
The population of Meinong District in Kaohsiung City is more than 90% Hakka. The government works hard to promote and preserve Hakka culture. The Hakka people historically engaged in agriculture, but have always placed a premium on education too. In former times, Meinong boasted the biggest number of PhD holders of all the townships in Taiwan. The area was also nicknamed Smoke City on account of the large variety of tobacco planted at that time.
Hey, welcome back to another edition of Talk About Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係練習生 Joseph Lin, along with Leo right here, preserving the Hakka culture, teaching you vocabulary and whatnot, and we really hope you learn a little bit each and every time.
这是我们要努力的方向。
真的。那今天是不是有什么地方可以介绍，也是跟我们一样的道理，在保存着客家文化的一些定点？
哦，有啊，其实全台湾很多地方都有，
我相信很多。
但是呢，我们今天要带大家去的就是到南部去，到高雄嘅美浓区美浓的客家文物馆客家文物馆。
There you go. So we're going to take you to a cultural center, the Hakka Cultural Center in Meinong. So tell us about what we can expect when we go there. 到这个美浓的客家文物馆，我们可以期待到看到什么样的东西呢？
其实美浓早期有种很多的烟臭
好像听说 That's right. There used to be a lot of tobacco leaves that are grown here in Meinong. So I guess in the Hakka Cultural Center, you can see a little bit of history of that. 所以它有保有它的这个烟草的一些历史就对了。
对，所以它在那个美浓的客家文物馆呢，你就可以看到那个烟草的一些制作的过程，让你去了解一下早期的客家人他们的这个栽种跟制作的过程。
OK， 但是现在并没有在种了。
现在已经没有了。
Okay, so again, this is just preserving the process of how to make some of these tobacco leaves, and you can enjoy that. 烟草怎么说？
烟臭，
还有什么东西我们也可以在这边看到的？
还有那个早期客家的一些嘎拉佛嘎拉佛就是农具、农器，嘎拉佛。
So you can take a look at some of the agricultural tools that they use. 嘎拉佛，然后还有
盆头把的呀，
这是什么？
就是厨房用的工具厨具啦。
Okay, utensils that you use in the kitchen, traditional ones, 可能比较传统式的这样子，对不对？
对。
这都可以看得到，还蛮有趣的哦。
是啊。
All right, so this is all in 美浓客家文物馆
客家文物馆。
And don't forget, you can check out the process of making tobacco. 烟草。That does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么大家？
按自谁张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.